Good morning, Auto Hounders. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about the Boxster again. I promised you guys an update when the car got back, and finally she's back and she's ready to go. And I wanted to kind of show you all what the issue was. So I'm going to take the camera off the mount right now, and you're going to see exactly what caused the water damage inside my car. So forgive me for being so close to the camera, but take a look on the ground right here, and you're going to see all of these little helicopters. Well, these little helicopters landed over here inside the clamshell in this little spot right here. The water and the wind forced them down in, and they got caught up in the drains. What's most important is that we need to make sure that we get these drains nice and clean, because if we don't get the drains clean, then we're going to have problems. So a couple of things that I'm doing. Number one is I keep my car outside because I don't have a garage. So I have a car cover way back there, which I did not use because of the wind, but I got some new wind straps for it, and they seem to be doing the trick. The second thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to show you how to clean all of the drains on the car. So people that own Boxsters, and only people that own Boxsters, are worried about this issue, and we're going to kind of get into it right now. So let's get going. So here we are. We've opened up the front of the Boxster, and you'll see that I've taken out the little side pieces on either side so I could get to the drain holes in the front of the car. I have this little piece right here, which is what's called a trombone cleaner. You know, trombone, like you play the instruments. If you look straight down in here, that's going to be your first area right in here that you have to take the trombone cleaner and put it in. So you slide it in right there and just let it go all the way down until it hits ground. Now you know it's properly cleaned out. Take it out and go to the other side of the car, and there's another one, another drain, and that drain is in here behind all these wires, and you can see all the filth and muck in there. I'm going to be vacuuming all this out so it doesn't happen again. You'll have to forgive me, I'm doing this with one hand. And you can see trombone cleaner goes right down. You have to be steady with both hands on it. And there you go. That cleans out the front of the car and gets those drain holes nice and clean. There's another drain hole, which is right here next to the gas piece. Hey everyone, my audio went out right here. So as you can see right down here, you'll see a little drain hole just right there. That little drain hole is where everything got clogged up. You could actually see a little piece of the debris still there, which I vacuumed out. As we come across to the passenger side of the car, you'll also see another drain hole right down there. I'm going to zoom on it here in a second. Make sure you are cleaning these up with a trombone cleaner, which I'll illustrate a picture of at the end of this video. This is called the service position on the Porsche Boxster. It's super important that you make sure that the car is in service position, otherwise you can't get to it. So now we're looking inside the car. So you can see all of this cleaned out, replaced, cleaned out and replaced, cleaned out, and underneath the seat right here you can see the new waterproof box. That is from the ECUDoctors.com. That's a waterproof box, so I'll never have this issue again with my car, hopefully. And if it does flood, that's on me. I'll make sure I keep this nice and clean. Here's the rest of the car. Well, Well guys, this has been the Auto Hound. I appreciate you looking at this. The total damage was very expensive, in the thousands. Fortunately, insurance covered the majority of it. I did have to pay for the waterproof box under the seat. That was $160. I felt it was a good investment for the car in case it ever were to happen again, or even for resale value. My recommendation, strong recommendation, is that if you own a Boxster, you should do this at least every 3 months, just to make sure if you keep your car parked outside and when it picks up anything. The other thing that I would also recommend is putting a car cover on your car if you do park it outside. It's really important. Learning from my mistakes, please. So thanks again for watching the Auto Hound. It's been great. Appreciate it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day.